Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Today we are going to be making our sandwich. I hope you will like this video. Let's get into it. First, you need to turn on your gas, and then for me, I will make the bacon first. So we start with the bacon. Guys, don't come at me. My hands are very clean. Very clean. Okay. I don't cook the ham for so long, guys. I just want to warm them a little bit. My ham is ready. I don't cook my ham for too long. I just want it to be warm. Eggs, guys. I'm gonna add black pepper. Salt. Okay, guys. Do you like runny eggs, or do you like the egg that is well cooked? Personally, I like the egg that is well cooked. I don't like the runny egg because I think maybe it still smells. I like the egg that is well cooked. Right. Okay. They refuse to let it out go down. Yeah, maybe they want systems and they're like. Okay guys, let's plate up my bad boy. Let's plate up my sandwich, guys. I put my bread in the air fryer, so it's hard. So what I'm gonna do, I washed my vegetables already. So first I will start with the lettuce. Good. And then I have mayonnaise. I put mayonnaise. Remember guys, it's optional. Whatever you want to put on your sandwich, that is what you can use. And then I'll use my mayonnaise. My mayonnaise is so little, don't worry. My mayonnaise like that. And then after that, I'm gonna put my avocado. So I will nice. One of the hardest things I have to do in this world is then ham, and then after ham I'm gonna put my bacon, and then lettuce again, lettuce. Remember guys, you need to wash your vegetables before you eat them. Wash them first. Okay, like that. Ham, and then after my ham, I go in with my bacon like that, and then my egg. Guys, let me know, do you like runny egg, or do you like the egg that is just well cooked? Personally, I don't love runny egg. I put mayonnaise. Then after the mayonnaise, I'll put the mustard. Yeah, like that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So beautiful, guys. Guys, it keeps on breaking, so I don't know. Let's see. And that, guys. Look at it. Look at it. So beautiful, right? Personally, I don't want to cut it. If I cut it, it's gonna be so messy. So that is, guys, that is how I'm gonna serve this sandwich. It looks like a burger, but it's not a burger. It's just a sandwich that you can make anytime when you're in a hurry. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Kindly consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, guys. Cheers. You can hear. Nice.